here we are in part 2. You're going to the settings, then you will get to the first what you see. It will jump up a window, and here you can search settings. You can write what you looking for, or basically you will be on the controls. That are the controls of the car. Here you can change the headlight, the automatic headlight. You can fold mirror, child lock, window lock. You have automatic wipers, or you can setting for wipers. You have a mirror setting. You click on it, you choose left or right, and with the that button on the steering wheel, you can change the window, the mirror settings how you wish. And this you can also save to your account, or if you just want to change for one time, for a temporary, then you can always restore it, but you don't have to save it. If I change right now, then I just click on the X, and it will not save it to my account, but yeah, until I drive, it will be that settings, and I can always click with one click to restore, and it will restore my saved settings, what is saved to my account. You can click adjust tilted position. Then if you driving you want to drive back, then you can adjust a tilted position to see the curbs, something like that. Really useful, actually. You can activate auto tilt. Auto tilt is, yeah, one more time, when you drive when you want to park in rearwards, let's say, then with auto tilt, if you put to air to drive backwards, then it will kicks in the cameras and also will tilt down the mirrors. You got auto fold. If you leave the car, then it will fold the mirrors. I have off this for the winter period because it can be frozen. Auto dim, I'm not using it. I'm using it when I'm on the highway. It will dim you both of the mirrors, the outside mirrors and the inside mirror. Yeah, that's about this. Yeah, you got it's a saving. It's a dash cam settings. You can click on it and it will save last 10 minutes, actually, I guess. You got the car wash mode. Now it's not active because we are on the charger, but that's a useful settings. You got the steering wheel setting, the same story. You can setting with the same button. It goes up, in, out, down. You can save it or always restore it. You got the sentry mode. If you click this, you leave the car, you will get this icon. You leave the car will have attention. Yes, and it will record if something happens. Glow box, you can open with this button the glow box. You can also settings a pin for the glow box to not have anybody access to it. Setting of the display, the brightness, you can put an auto. You got that was the control menu. Oh yeah, here you can see again my my account, my name. You can click on it. You can go to driver profile settings. Here you can change the name, Tesla profile. You can activate easy entry. Easy entry, it's a option to get easier to the car. Cherry moves for you what is more comfortable. You can setting it. Phone key for profile. Okay, I don't know what is that actually. Require phone key for profile. Okay. I don't know. That's a good one. Require phone key for profile. Okay. That's okay. I don't know. Yes. What is really good with the Tesla, you got camp mode, and in camp mode you can make a separate, let's say, the new driver or the new driver profile. and you can make a camp mode. You can have a camp mode. I got camp mode and eat mode. And here is the easy entry. Easy entry, you can setting, and then when you stop the car, you put in parking, then it will goes to easy entry mode, and then you can easier leave the car, and it will stay in that profile until you coming back. You step in the car, and then it will activate automatically your profile. With Teslas is really good because it works with your phone. It works with my iPhone. When we coming to the car, then I can say who is the I can say who is the standard profile. I am the standard profile, and if I coming with my girlfriend to the car, then it will choose the standard profile because that's the standard option. That's really good, and I will get my settings. Okay, let's go forward. You get notification, some notification what the car tells you, some issues, some problems. Bluetooth settings to connect Bluetooth. Yeah, you can also reduce fan speed during calls. That's really good. Climate must be set on auto. Setting will be restored when calls end. That's also really useful. Okay, you got LTE. Every Teslas have internet connection, but then also you can connect to Wi-Fi, and that's really good. I think that was the control menu. What you can see actually, this part is always stays even if you change the menu. That was the control menu. Yes, let's go to the next part. Oh yeah, one more thing, sorry. You can fold mirrors with one button. It will save you the location. If you drive somewhere, you got some narrow garage you have to drive in, then you can always click on it before you drive in, and it will remember for the next time. It will remember you. Then on that place, when you're driving there, mirrors will fold the auto. You can unfold them. Okay. You got child lock. You can child lock the back doors. You got window lock. You can if you click on child lock, you can choose which doors on the back on the rear you want to have activated. I have just right because on the right side is the child seat. Window lock, it's just one click. You want to activate children on the back side. On the rear cannot open the windows. Yes, that was the controls menu. Let's go to the next one.